Hey there, welcome back to the Wealth Wizard. Have you ever dreamt of earning a six-figure income online? Well, you're in the right place because in today's video, we're going to unveil the top affiliate programs that can kickstart your journey to earning $100,000 or more. If you're ready to learn about exciting opportunities and strategies to make money online, stick around because this video is for you. Imagine a life where you can work from anywhere, be your own boss, and have the potential to earn a substantial income. It's not just a dream, it can be your reality with affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll reveal the affiliate programs that can take you to that coveted six-figure mark. So, grab a pen and paper because you're about to discover the path to financial freedom. Before we dive into the top affiliate programs, let's first understand what affiliate marketing is and why it's an incredible opportunity. 1. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is an incredible opportunity to generate income online, but it's essential to understand the fundamental principles that underpin this model. The low barrier to entry in affiliate marketing is one of its most attractive features. Unlike starting your own business or creating your products, affiliate marketing allows you to leverage existing products or services. This means you can begin with minimal investment, making it accessible to nearly anyone with an internet connection. One of the most exciting aspects of affiliate marketing is its potential for passive income. After initially creating and promoting your affiliate content, you can continue to earn commissions without constant active effort. This potential for passive income allows affiliate marketers to scale their efforts and explore new opportunities continually. 2. The path to earning $100,000. Earning a substantial income through affiliate marketing requires a well-thought-out strategy and consistent effort. Let's delve deeper into the steps needed to reach that $100,000 milestone. Selecting the right niche is the foundation of a successful affiliate marketing journey. It's essential to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. When you're passionate about your niche, creating content becomes enjoyable, and your authenticity shines through. Creating high-quality content is a non-negotiable aspect of affiliate marketing. Your content should provide value to your audience, solve their problems, or address their needs. Focus on consistency in content creation, whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates. To reach the $100,000 goal, diversify your income sources within affiliate marketing. Relying on a single affiliate program or product can be risky. Explore various affiliate networks and programs, considering both physical and digital products or services. Conversion optimization is a critical aspect of success in affiliate marketing. It involves fine-tuning your content and strategies to maximize the conversion rate of your affiliate links. Techniques like A/B testing and analyzing user behavior can help you improve your conversion rates over time. 3. Top affiliate programs for your journey to $100K. Now let's dive into the exciting part, the top affiliate programs that can set you on the path to earning $100,000. Amazon Associates is a giant in the affiliate marketing world, with millions of products available for promotion. To succeed with Amazon Associates, it's crucial to create content that genuinely helps users make informed purchasing decisions. By crafting insightful product reviews and offering valuable recommendations, you can capitalize on the extensive Amazon product catalog. ClickBank is a digital marketplace renowned for its high commission rates, often reaching up to 75% of the product price. Successful ClickBank affiliates focus on identifying products with high gravity scores and positive customer reviews. By researching and selecting the right products, you can tap into the lucrative world of digital products and courses. CJ Affiliate is a powerhouse in the affiliate marketing industry, connecting affiliates with thousands of reputable advertisers across various niches. The key to success with CJ Affiliate is to partner with advertisers boasting high conversion rates and competitive commission structures. Building strong partnerships with trustworthy brands can lead to long-term success in this affiliate network. Share a Sale is another popular affiliate network known for its wide range of products and services. Its user-friendly interface and robust reporting tools make it an excellent choice for both beginner and experienced affiliates. To excel with Share a Sale, select merchants whose products align with your niche and resonate with your target audience. Rakuten Advertising, previously known as Rakuten Linkshare, is a global affiliate marketing platform with a strong presence in Asia. Affiliates can explore partnerships with international brands, making it a valuable choice for those looking to tap into global markets. When you focus on promoting internationally recognized brands, you open doors to a broader audience. The Bluehost affiliate program is particularly enticing if your niche involves web hosting, website building, or online entrepreneurship. Bluehost is a trusted web hosting provider used by millions, and promoting it as a reliable hosting solution can lead to substantial commissions. Consider creating content that highlights the benefits of Bluehost for website builders and online business owners. Shopify, the leading e-commerce platform, offers an attractive affiliate program for those in the e-commerce, online business, or entrepreneurship niches. By showcasing how Shopify can simplify the process of launching and scaling online stores, you can attract potential affiliates and earn commissions. Highlight the platform's user-friendly features and customizable options in your content. Udemy is a well-known online learning platform offering a vast array of courses. Promoting Udemy courses can be highly profitable, especially in educational and self-improvement niches. Creating informative course reviews and educational content can drive enrollments through your affiliate links. By focusing on courses that align with your niche and have positive user reviews, you can enhance your chances of success with the Udemy affiliate program. The ClickFunnels affiliate program is ideal for those interested in marketing and sales funnel solutions. ClickFunnels offers recurring commissions, which can lead to substantial earnings over time. To succeed, create content that demonstrates how ClickFunnels can benefit online marketers and entrepreneurs. Showcase the platform's capabilities for simplifying the sales funnel creation process and driving conversions. SEMrush is a leading SEO and digital marketing toolkit, making it an excellent fit for affiliates in the digital marketing and SEO niches. To excel in promoting SEMrush, demonstrate how the platform can improve website visibility, drive organic traffic, and enhance digital marketing efforts. Explore content that guides users on leveraging SEMrush's features to achieve their digital marketing goals. 4. Strategies for affiliate success. While selecting the right affiliate programs is crucial, your success as an affiliate marketer depends on the strategies you employ. Building a brand around your niche is a powerful strategy to differentiate yourself from other affiliates. Focus on delivering consistent value, maintaining authenticity, and establishing a trusted online presence. Engaging with your audience through social media, email marketing, and community building can foster brand loyalty and trust. Email marketing is a potent tool for affiliate marketers. Building and nurturing an email list of engaged subscribers allows you to provide them with valuable content and targeted affiliate recommendations. Segment your email list and implement automation to send personalized offers based on subscriber interests and behaviors. Search engine optimization, SEO, plays a pivotal role in driving organic traffic to your affiliate content. Optimize your content for relevant keywords, address user queries, and consistently update your content to maintain search engine rankings. Monitoring and adapting to changes in search engine algorithms is essential for long-term SEO success. Paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads can accelerate your affiliate marketing efforts. These platforms offer precise targeting options, allowing you to reach your ideal audience. Start with a modest advertising budget and gradually scale your campaigns as you observe positive results and ROI. 5. Tracking and optimization. Tracking and optimization are the keys to sustained success in affiliate marketing. Affiliate tracking software and analytics tools are essential for monitoring the performance of your affiliate links and marketing campaigns. By identifying which products, strategies, or channels generate the highest conversions and commissions, you can make informed decisions and refine your approach. Regularly review your affiliate performance data to spot trends and opportunities. Implementing split testing is a valuable strategy to continuously improve your affiliate marketing efforts. Test different elements of your content, such as headlines, calls to action, and content formats, to discover what resonates best with your audience and drives conversions. Make data-driven decisions based on the results of your split tests to optimize your content and marketing strategies. Affiliate marketing is an ever-evolving landscape. To maintain your competitive edge, stay updated with industry trends, algorithm changes, and consumer preferences. Flexibility and adaptability are crucial attributes of successful affiliate marketers. Continuously adapt your strategies and content to remain relevant and competitive within your niche. In conclusion, affiliate marketing offers a remarkable opportunity to earn a substantial income, including the coveted $100,000 milestone. By selecting the right affiliate programs, implementing effective strategies, and consistently optimizing your efforts, you can transform your online presence into a thriving income stream. If you found this video enlightening and motivating, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with others who aspire to succeed in affiliate marketing. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, patience, and a commitment to delivering value to your audience. Don't forget to subscribe to The Wealth Wizard for more in-depth content on affiliate marketing, online entrepreneurship, and the pursuit of financial freedom. Your journey to $100,000 or more begins with the right knowledge and the right strategies. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.